Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And in all honesty, probably the last time I do a video on this one for a while until something happens. Now, how am I defining quote unquote something happens? Well, it all revolves around basically the channel that seems to have formed, and that channel revolves around the top of it being here at $1.45. Been talking about this one, but we've had multiple confirmation times where the prices try to get above it and couldn't quite do it. So again, top of the channel, key level of resistance at $1.45. And then the bottom of the channel down here at this green line, $1.25. You could probably argue that this channel is a little bit big, and I could, move that green line up, and I wouldn't really argue against that at all. But for, this is my analysis. So for this, I'm going to keep it down there at $1.25. But again, if you're thinking, but Clay, I had mine a little bit up tighter, that works too. I wouldn't call that illogical or anything like that. So case in point, in a nutshell, hey, Clay, just wrap this chart up very quickly. Channel pattern on the 30-minute, top of the channel, resistance, $1.45, bottom of the channel support, $1.25. Now, the other thing to keep an eye on, and what I noted yesterday, I believe, is watch the volume. Volume is really, really drying up. And, if this thing's going to make any sort of move, whether it's a break to the downside or a break to the upside, there's got to be more volume with it. So, and if there's no volume that really happens, then this is exactly what's going to happen. It's just going to move in very small ranges. And sure, it could move up, sure, it could move down. But without a whole lot of volume, it's going to be very difficult to trade. So interest is waning. Not many people are interested. And like I said, people are losing interest. And that all circles back to volume. What gives me the right to say that people are losing interest? Well, just look at that volume. Volume has really dropped off compared to the past few days ago. So all in all, $1.45 resistance, $1.25 support. We'll see how the price reacts within this channel over the next few days. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.